International Non-Binary Peoples' Day, meaning International Non-Binary Persons' Day, is a day devoted to recognizing and supporting non-binary people all around the world. When someone identifies as non-binary, it means that their gender identification does not fit into the traditional male-female gender binary. It is common for non-binary persons to participate in the day's activities to raise awareness about problems that impact them, such as the prejudice that they regularly suffer. On this day, non-binary persons are celebrated in a number of ways, including educational programs and initiatives to make settings, such as schools and workplaces, more inclusive for them. On International Non-Binary Persons' Day, some people choose to come out as non-binary for the first time in front of a group of friends or family. In conjunction with Non-Binary Awareness Week, which is a week-long commemoration dedicated to non-binary individuals and raising awareness of the problems that impact them, International Non-Binary Peoples' Day is observed on March 1.